Welcome to our tour of our Concierge Balcony cabin on board Celebrity Eclipse. Cabin 1261 is on deck 10. The cabins on Eclipse are set up the same as the rest in this class of ship. Eclipse hasn't yet been refreshed, so the cabins look a little dated. However, they have been very well maintained. The bed can be set up as twins or a queen, with storage for suitcases below. The storage in this cabin is pretty good, with plenty of drawer space available. This is also where you'll find a small safe and a mini fridge. These are the current prices for the minibar. The only plug sockets in this cabin are at the vanity desk. There are 2 US sockets and 1 European socket. There aren't any USB ports. The wardrobe's a decent size with all hanging space. You can request additional hangers if you need them. Bathrobes are provided in this cabin type and will be left in the wardrobe on your arrival. The bathroom is a nice size and has everything you need. There's a large shower with plenty of storage around the sink area. Bigelow branded shampoo, conditioner and shower gel are provided. Body lotion and soap are also provided by the sink. There's some enclosed storage, which is handy for your toiletries. Overall, the bathroom's a decent size and perfect for your cruise. The balconies on Eclipse are a great size and are the best part of this cabin. There's plenty of space for 2 people. The balcony is set up with a table and 2 reclining chairs, along with footstools. This particular balcony is unobstructed, with great ocean views. The lifeboats are several decks below, but they don't have an effect on the view from here. You're not overlooked on this balcony at all, and it's low enough that the overhang a few decks up doesn't have an impact on it. It's a fantastic place to sit and watch the ocean. We really like this cabin. It's spacious and feels really well maintained. We felt that it was in a great location and would happily choose it again. What do you think of this cabin? Is it one that you would choose? Let us know your thoughts on what you think of the cabin. If you enjoyed our video, give it a thumbs up. To keep up to date with our future videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's completely free and means a lot to us. Thanks for watching.